my dear students. This is the continuation of chapter number 5, operations on rational numbers. Today we are going to learn decimal form of rational number. First we will learn some example. Write the rational number 15 upon 11 in decimal form. Here in division method I have written 11 is in divisor place and 50 is in dividend place. 11 ones are 11. We got the answer 4. Here we will continue till the remainder is not 0. Now we want 0, so I will put one decimal point up, and here also I will put one point and I will write 0 here, and this 0 will come down. Now 11 3s are 33. Again we got the answer 7 by subtracting it. Again we want 0, so I will put this 0 down. 11 6 are 66. My answer is 4. Again the 0 will come down. 11 3s are 33. 7. This will come repeatedly. This answer will come repeatedly. See here. Observe that the remainder at the alternate step is 4 and 7. These are the alternate steps. Every 2 steps the answer is 4 and 7. So the division will continue endlessly. Here the repeating digits after decimal point are 3 and 6. After the decimal points are the repeating digits are 3 and 6. To express this, a bar is placed over the repeating digit. Which bar is placed? Dash. See, I got the answer 1.3636. Here what are the repeating digit? 36. So above 36 one dash will come. In the same way, second example I will show. Write the rational number 11 upon 3 in decimal form. 3 is in divisor place and 11 is in dividend place. 3 3s are 9. I got the answer 2. So after 2 I want to change we want the remainder 0. So I will write 0 here and put one decimal point here. After putting decimal point we are getting 0, so I will put here also, and this 0 will come down. I got the answer 20. 3 6 are 18. What I got the remainder? 20. Again 2 is coming, so I will continue. This 0 will come down, and 3 6 are, again I will write 18. 3 6 are, again I will write 18. Minus, I got the answer again 2. So observe that the remainder at each step of division is 2. See here, in every step the remainder is 2. Therefore the division will continue endlessly. To express the fact, a dot is placed over the repeating digit. See, therefore 11 upon 3 equal to 3.666. So we will write 3.6, and above 6 we will put a dot. Why dot? Because the 6 is repeating. That's why. Now we will do practice set 24. Second sum, minus 7 upon 8. 8 is in divisor place and 7 is in dividend place. 8 is not subtracted by 7, so in 0 0 7 is coming down. I will put one decimal point here, and this, because of decimal point 0 is coming down, and this 0 will come down. I have written 0.10 here. 70. 8 8s are 64. Minus, we got answer 6. Again this 0 will come down. 8 7s are 56. Answer we got 4. This 0 will come down, and 40, it will become 40. 8 5s are 40. Our answer is, remainder is 0. So our total answer is minus 0.875. The third sum, 7 3 upon 5. First we will convert it into whole number. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38. Now I will write 5 here and 30 in dividend place. 5 7s are 35. We got the answer 3. So I will put one point, decimal point here, and here also I will put one 0, and so this 0 will come down. 5 6 are 30. We got the answer 30. Our remainder is 0. We got the answer 7.6. In the same manner, 7th question, 7 upon 9. 9 will come in dividend place and 7 in divisor place. Dividend place and 9 in divisor place. Sorry. 9 0. 9 is now subtracted by 7. So I will write 0 here and 7 down. I will put decimal point here, and here also I will put 1 0. So that this 0 will come down. Now it becomes 70. 9 7s are 63. I got the answer 7 again. Again I will put 1 0 here and put 1 0. This 0 will come down. 9 7s are again it's 63. Again 7 is there. So 7 is repeating in every remainder. So 0.77 means 0.7. I will put 1 above dot. Now remaining practice set 24 you all will do. Now I will do practice set 25. Before that we will see one example. See here 2 into bracket. Brackets are given in first bracket, then next bracket is also given. So I will write the 2 as it is. Before this explanation I will explain one more thing. The order of the sign when simplifying an expression. B bracket, first the operations in the bracket. O of multiplication, D division, multiplication, A addition and subtraction. This name is BODMAS. So in the same manner we have to do. First we will do bracket, then next multiplication, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here 2 is, I will write as it is written as it is, 25 as it is. First we will do the brackets. First this bracket we will do, means 104 plus this bracket will come as it is. In next step 2 is written as it is, 25 as it is, 104 as it is. Next step is this bracket will come. We will divide first and then multiplication. Now this bracket is remaining. Now next step this whole bracket we will do, 104 plus 26, 130. Now in last step this only one bracket is remaining. So we got the answer 3250, and 2 into 3250 is 6500. Now remember, brackets may be used more than once to clearly specify the orders of the operation. Different kinds of brackets such as round brackets, square brackets, curly brackets may be used for this purpose. When solving brackets, solve the innermost bracket first. First we have to solve the innermost bracket, means this. If there are two brackets, first solve the first one, then solve the next bracket. Bracket first and follow it up by solving the brackets outside and in turn. Okay, now we will do practice set 25. In practice set 25, first sum 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Here 50 bracket is not given, so we will do directly 50 into 5, 250 divided by 2 plus 24, 125. We got the answer 125. How come? 250 divided by 2, we got the answer 125 plus 24, and this total 149. In fifth sum, 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. This we will do, the division we will do in multiplicative inverse manner, means 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 into this 4 will go up and 6 will come down. 3 upon 5 plus I want the answer. We will convert it, expand this. 2 4s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. So 3 upon 5. This 4 and this 4 will cut down, and this. Now we got 1, 2 2s are 4. Now 3 4s are, 5 1s are, and 5 4s are. 3 4s are 12, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Plus 12 plus 5, 17 and 20 down. Remaining practice set you all will doing 25 practice set remaining exercise. Now points to which we have to remember. Brackets may be used more than once to clearly specify the order of the operations. A single digit or a group of digits occur repeatedly on the right of the decimal point. This type of decimal form, a rational number, is called recurring decimal form. When a decimal fraction is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right by the 1, 2, 3 or more than places respectively. When a decimal fraction is divided by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the left. When dividing, it is going in left, shifted to left. When multiply, it is shifted in right by 1, 2, 3 places respectively. Any number of zeros after the last digit of the decimal fraction or before the integral part do not change the value of given fraction. An arrangement of numbers expressed using signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called a mathematical expression. Thank you, my dear students.